subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has launched its new smartphone under V series in China called Realme V13 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V13 supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme V13 features a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera houses a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 74.8 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V13 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in grey and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme V13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.